Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is also one of the looks that I have created for New Year. I have always noticed that if at night somebody is wearing glitter, it always catches the attention. So I wanted to create something which is minimalistic, doesn't require too much of time, but yes, it does take the attention. I have created this look which is so very simple. Nothing too much on the eyes, but yes, the shadow that I've used is definitely beautiful and it looks stunning at night. Also, it's a new year, so we wanted to do something that stays overnight, and yes, a pop of color always looks beautiful at night. In my last video also, we had a giveaway and you guys gave an excellent response, so I thought why not to throw a giveaway in this video as well. So in case you wanted to see what is there in the giveaway, keep on watching till the end. I'll start up by priming my face with Becca Backlight Primer Filter. I used to use this Becca primer long time ago, but I didn't know why did I stop using it. Now it's winter time and I want to moisturize my face very well with adequate glow. So I thought why not to get back to the same primer. And now for my foundation, I'm using the Hourglass Vanish stick in the shade Sand. This was my absolute favorite of 2018. I love this foundation stick, and the best combination was whenever I used to use it with Diorskin Star Foundation that I'm using today as well. I'm going to apply both of these together with my damp beauty blender. Now for my concealer, I'm using the Boi-ing Industrial Strength Concealer. This is something that I have found lately and I really like it. This is in the shade 03. But yes, it has that adequate amount of peach into it, so it does the job very well and it counteracts your dark circles. Now for highlighting, I'm using Nars Soft Matte Complete Concealer in Custard. I'm going to apply it on all the high points of my face with this high-ris brush HB06. And now by using a damp beauty blender, I'm going to blend all this. For my contour today, I'm using the Inglot Stick Foundation in shade 115 and I am applying it at the back of my hand. This helps to warm up the product and it blends very well into your skin. Now with my damp beauty blender, I am going to apply it on all the areas where I want to contour. My cheekbones, sides, which is the temples, the forehead, and yes, on the chin as well. I'm going to use the same stick foundation for my nose as well. Now to set everything, I am using Cover FX Illuminating Setting Powder in shade Light. And I'm just applying it under my eyes, on my laugh line, and the center of the nose and forehead as well. For my blush and my bronzer today, I am using this blush bar from Benefit. It's so beautiful and has beautiful 5 different blushers and contour into it. I am using the shade Hoola here for my contour with the same brush that is provided in the palette. But for my nose contour, I'm using the High-Res brush HB26. Now comes the blusher, and I'm using the shade Dandelion with this High-Res brush HB21. Such a beautiful blush. Now I'm going to spray MAC Prep+Prime Fix Plus all over my face, and I'm going to bathe into it because I am going to apply my highlighter. And the highlighter that I'm using today is this one, which is Amrezy from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm applying it using the High-Res brush HB18. Now I'm going to do my brows off the camera because I do it the same way every single time, and I'll come back in just a second. I'm done with my brows and I've already primed my eyes. Let's start with our eyeshadow. And for my shadow, I am using this Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Vega. This Colourpop shadows are so value for money, and trust me, the formula is very similar to Natasha Denona palette. And for my transition color, I'm using the MAC shadow in the shade Texture with the MAC brush 217. I will apply it as my transition color and keep building the color till the time I achieve what I exactly want. And yes, I'll make sure that I'm pulling my eye towards the brow bone so that my eyes look lifted. I am going to use the same shadow on the lower lash line as well with this High-Res brush HB11. Now for my upper lash line, I am using this O3 Plus Pro Artist Kajal, and I'm going to tightline the upper lash line. Now I'm going to use the same highlighter, which is Amrezy by Anastasia Beverly Hills, for my inner corner highlight using the High-Res brush HB04. I'm going to use the same on my brow bone as well. Now I'm applying Ardell lashes in number 120. Let me just quickly put my lashes and I'll be right back. So I have just applied my lashes and I'll finish off my eyes using the Too Faced It Better Than Sex waterproof mascara. Now comes the lipper. You can choose any lipper that you want. It can be nude and it can be a bright lip color, but since it's New Year's Eve, so I want a nice pop of color on my lips, and for this today I have chosen this wonderful lip color from Nars, which is a power matte lip pigment in the shade Star Woman. Trust me, they are so lightweight and you don't feel dry on your lips at all. So here I am back right in front of you. I changed my outfit to this more glittery and glam sort of an outfit for New Year's Eve. Yes, and I am wearing these beautiful earrings by Sahiba Sodi Jewelry. You all have been asking me a lot of questions about my jewelry, so I have probably planned that I'm going to tell you most of the times what I am wearing. She has got a page on Instagram. I will definitely give you the link here on the screen. You can go and check out her collection. It's stunning, it's beautiful. I'm a die-hard fan of her jewelry, and yes, all my jewelry is from her. So go and check out her page. So this is the final look that I have created, and it is right in front of you. You must have noticed it is nothing too much but looks beautiful and snatched. And also with this look, it's not very important for you to wear a red lipper. It's just that at night I feel that a pop of color looks beautiful. But in case you want to carry a subtle lip color, you can also carry that sort of a lip color with this look. It's like a universal look, goes with all sort of lip colors. So wear it with whatever color you want to wear on the New Year's night. So in case you also carry something like this, because I think I will be carrying something very similar to this on this New Year's Eve, please don't forget to tag me and we'll be twinning together with the same look on this New Year's Eve. But before we end the video, let me tell you that we do have a giveaway in this video as well. All the products that you can see on the screen are the ones that we are giving away in this holiday giveaway. All that you need to do to win this giveaway is you need to like my video, subscribe to my channel, please comment on the video and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload. The winners will be chosen randomly and we will choose winners after 24 hours. The winners will be announced in the description box below and they will be announced on my Insta story as well. So in the end, I would just like to say I love you all, stay blessed and keep watching.